What's up, my low riders? It is December the 4th, which means it's Vlogmas Day 4. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I don't have much planned. I'm just doing some housework. Right now I'm about to mop my downstairs floor, and then I'm going to clean the bathrooms and all that. So yeah, going to make your coffee. Huh? Cause you're about to make some coffee. He know he want to show his abs. You guys, that's my son.
What's happening, world?
But yeah, I made a little concoction with some hot ass water. But I will be mopping in a minute. You can put this shit right back. So.
Happy. Trash.
Whatever shoes you guys don't wear, just take them up to the room. That's
yeah, I was just about to do that. It's on these. We ain't got a cover. I'm about to take that shit to the garage. You ain't doing shit. It's going to work.
Okay, you guys, I'm about to start mopping in a few. But yeah, I'm sorry for coughing all in you guys' face. Just trying to get this stuff done. I'll be right back in a second. No, but if she wear them and she's not wearing them, take them upstairs. That's just for people to put their shoes in when they go up the stairs and take them up at the end of the day.
The house slippers.
Right there, I'm gonna leave those right there because you wear those.
Yeah.
And I'll get those. Okay, my lovers, I finished cleaning everything up. I went to get me something to eat from In-N-Out Burger, you guys. They have the best, freshest burgers ever. And I always get my animal style with extra pickles cut in half. And it's juicy. Food then fell all down. Now, I don't have anything else to do because it's my Monday. And I don't work on Monday. And everything is clean. All I gotta do is put my rug back in my living room after I take it out of the dryer. But Vlogmas Day 3 is gonna be a boring day, you guys. I was thinking about cooking dinner, but I don't know. Usually when my house is spotless, I don't like to cook. But anyway, I'll be back after I finish eating lunch. I sure wish I could share it with you guys. Look at that. Okay, my lovers, I finished cleaning everything up. I went to get me something to eat from In-N-Out Burger, you guys. They have the best, freshest burgers ever. And I always get my animal style with extra pickles cut in half. And it's juicy. Food then fell all down. Now, I don't have anything else to do because it's my Monday. And I don't work on Monday. And everything is clean. Well, all I gotta do is put my rug back in my living room after I take it out of the dryer. But Vlogmas day 3 is gonna be a boring day, you guys. I was thinking about cooking dinner, but I don't know. Usually when my house is spotless, I don't like to cook. But anyway, I'll be back after I finish eating lunch. I sure wish I could share it with you guys. Look at that. Okay, my low riders. Oh, ooh, what's wrong with this focus? Okay, guys, still not focused. Okay, hold up. What's up, my lords? I am back. It is evening time, you guys, and I haven't done anything. But what I showed you guys earlier, the cleanup. Oh, yes, I have. Yes, I have. Let me turn this light off because I have to go do a pickup. These are glasses. Turn the light on. Turn the light on. I did these lights, you guys. Look it. I put LED lights under my counter. And she really can't see it like that, but let's see. Okay, the lights are under here. Cute, huh? Love it. Let's see. Go upstairs. Hey. Go upstairs and do that. Go upstairs. And let me close these blinds, y'all, because we're go get in the car. Y'all see my daddy? And this switch so the light won't be glaring. Okay. It hasn't even been a year that he's been gone, and I miss him so much, you guys. Woo, just trying to get through November. Done with that. Now we're at December. And yeah, trying to get through it. Because it's been emotions flowing. Flowing. For all these months. Let me turn this off. Yeah, that part right there. Go get in the car. What are you doing? Did you go use the bathroom?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Whew. Seatbelts on. Ooh. Okay, okay, guys, I'm about to start driving, so I'll get back at you. Probably, yeah, I'll be back because I got to close this video because it's Vlogmas Day 4, and I really didn't do anything, but I said I was going to vlog every day until the 25th of December.
Stanley Lewis.
Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.